Thank you for your interest in our research. As many people know, the transition from medical student to medical resident can often present difficulties to new residents in managing the major changes associated with this transition. Of course, expectations of excellence in clinical care is a given, but exactly what programs and faculties believe drives this excellence is not always apparent to new residents. This project, Perception of Resident Excellence, was developed to inform incoming residents at a new resident bootcamp of what characteristics, qualities, or attributes different stakeholders perceived contributed to excellency in resident performance at the University of Saskatchewan. Prior to the workshop on resident excellence, an online survey was sent out to 6 different stakeholder groups to garner their opinions on what makes an excellent resident. Comments were obtained from 198 stakeholders, including program administrators, faculty, chief residents, program directors, site directors, and residency training coordinators. Content analysis was used to categorize the open-ended responses into major themes. Our analysis of the data showed 4 overarching themes emerge from the stakeholder responses, with several sub-themes present within 2 of the groupings. These included a professional orientation, so patient-focused behaviors and beliefs such as duty to care and commitment to their specialty and to the patient as a person. Learning orientation was the next important behavior. Of importance were behaviors such as self-directed learning, being receptive to feedback and open to criticism, being teachable, and asking for help, just to name a few. The importance of leadership behaviors was seen in 2 areas: people-oriented behaviors, such as interpersonal skills, being a team player, understanding the hierarchy, and task-oriented behaviors, such as time management, the ability to prioritize and be active in the program, and have a good work ethic. Finally, personal attributes included 3 sub-themes: cognitive abilities, such as critical thinking skills, traits, such as assertiveness and enthusiasm, and the ability to maintain a work-life balance. Overall, the top 3 areas identified as contributing to resident excellence, as indicated by response rates across all stakeholder groups, were those of task-oriented behaviors, learning orientation, and personal traits. The least indicated areas contributing to resident excellence were work-life balance and professional orientation. Now, this trend was observed across both specialty and family medicine programs, and generally it was observed across all stakeholder groups. Now, you can see some discrepancy across stakeholder groups, likely due to differences in the roles that stakeholders hold with the residents. For example, program directors and chief resident opinions were largely focused on task-oriented behaviors and personal traits, so the top 2 responses, while program administrative assistants held people-oriented behaviors just as important as their identified top areas. In conclusion, we can see that the attributes of an excellent resident fall into both stable, traits, and dynamic, so learned skills and knowledge, domains. The results from the study have been used to guide the development of a new session for a resident boot camp and overall have implications for resident selection and learning. We would like to thank all participants for providing input into this project. Thank you.